So much reading. Wait, is that a... What the heck? Why do I sneeze like that? Let me try that again. Okay.
Somebody's come to visit. Either that or he's a crow, so he likes the sparkly shinies.
Okay, try the how did you a little softer.
How did you?
And a little more like a whisper, like.
How did you?
Yeah. Ooh, magic food.
It's your food, Ciel. I just blessed it for you.
It's like I always knew you were a dog.
I'm not a dog. I'm a cat. Dad insults me like this. Poor child. The young master's out right now, so I'll be recording his voiceover for him. It was all Sebastian's fault. Damned demon forced me to go to bed without supper. He was cruel from the very start. All I did was ask for something to eat, and he turned on me. Bastard. I don't know why I keep such a drama queen on his help. He's such a brat, isn't he? Alright, my best impression of the young imp. I don't know why I keep such a drama queen on his help. Now's my chance. Now's my chance. Now's my chance. Oh my god, it's my chance. I get so excited.
Now all we have to do is one more scene.
What? Tomorrow.
Yeah.
In the daylight. We'll see a little jigs his food like a baby. No, let's have a midnight snack. Wait, what time is it actually? Oh, it's literally 12:26 right now.
Oh, great. There's the beautiful salad that my sister made. Ciel is an idiot for not wanting to eat this. Look how beautiful it is. Ciel got no taste buds. He just wants cake.
What is that? Right there. That green thing on my plate. What is that? Like literally what is that? Leaf on my plate. Like that one in the middle. Not that one. That's mint. I don't know what this is. It looks like a cabbage. Acting like a child? Not my butler anymore. Give me lettuce. There's only so much this relationship can take. Ugh. Cranberries. Somehow my head didn't remember what was in there.
I'm sorry.
Ciel says no.
Pretend to drink it and put it back.
Can't I have a snack first? Life doesn't work this way. Sebastian, I just want cake. That's all I want in life. You're supposed to exist to give me what I want in life. And stop calling me a child. I hate you. Stop butler you are. I'm going to bed. And I have a snack first. Please. Pinky promise. Bed. Can't I have a snack first? Oh, we're still recording? They know I stole a pepper off this plate. Sebastian, what is that? Sebastian got mad. It startled me. I'm sorry, let me get my wits about me. What is that? That like that.
Is lettuce.
I thought you said blood. Acting like a child. Acting like a child. Acting like a child? You finally became sensible and ate his stupid salad. Oranges, feta cheese, red bell peppers. What the order. We have a light salad with cheese, feta. Okay. I love it. Tonight's opening course we have a salad with red velvet. Would you like me to instead prepare a spinach salad with... Rude!
Then perhaps a carrot would be more pleasing to
A
you.
carrot? Then perhaps a carrot would be more pleasing to you. I just want you to eat something. I thought you weren't hungry.